Hi there, my name is Cathi from Software Solutions. I hope you're enjoying these videos on the essential skills that we need when we work with Microsoft Excel. Please like or subscribe and I'll keep putting material together for you. Now, something that we do on a regular basis when working with spreadsheets is inserting rows and columns. And most of us figure out that you can just right-click, say, a row and choose Insert. But that's rather slow if you're doing this a lot. And we do tend to do this a lot. So what I want to show you is that if you click a row number, so like I'm going to click on row 10, hold the Control key and press the plus on the number pad. Control goes down, and every time you tap plus, you'll insert a row much faster. And minus is take away. Control plus to insert a row, Control minus to take away a row. But it also works for columns. So if I clicked on column C, for example, and again went Control plus, I'd be inserting columns, and Control minus, I'd be taking columns away. So a definite bonus, Control plus to insert, Control minus to take away. All you've got to do is have a row or a column selected. If you don't, say I'm just sitting on a cell and I press Control plus, then this little message will come up. And basically this is its way of saying, Excel's way of saying, do you want an entire row or do you want an entire column? Because you have neither selected, so it's not sure what you want. So I'll go cancel. If you are really looking for a fast way to select rows and select columns, then use your keyboard. Control spacebar is how you select a column. Control plus is how you insert columns. And Control minus is how you take away columns. If I then arrow down to say row 15 and I press Shift spacebar, that's how you select a row. And Control plus to insert and Control minus to take away. And then just up arrow to get rid of the selected row. So either click a column letter or click a row number, or use Control spacebar to select a column and Shift spacebar to select a row. But whether you select a row or a column with whatever method, try to use Control plus now to insert columns and rows and Control minus to delete columns and rows. Try to make that part of your DNA. They are such common things that you want to do that you really need fast ways to do that. Please like or subscribe this video, and I will see you on the next video where we get into the real nitty-gritty of formulas and functions in Excel, the real strength of a spreadsheet.